So what are we doing today?
We're gonna play with the Barbie How Kitchen Set.
Okay, well let's do it.
Yeah, let's open it. See, this is the door. This is the top of the roof. Let's open this up. Oh, there you go.
Wow.
And this is the toilet.
Don't block the camera, Natalie.
Huh?
Don't block the camera, silly. So what's that?
That's the toilet.
What else is in there?
I touched it.
Ew.
Something's inside.
What else is there?
And this is a flusher.
Yeah, what else?
And this is a shower. And what's I got this on backwards?
Oh yeah, look at that. It is a shower.
See, that's a shower. And,
What else comes in the house?
And this is shampoo. And the center.
Uh-huh.
And don't you close the toilet like that?
Okay, what else is it? What's over there?
See? What?
Whoa, the house fell over in the tornado.
Dad, see?
What's that stuff?
This is milk.
Okay, what else comes in the house?
These are cups in here.
Oh, that came with the house?
Yeah, and this is the remote.
Uh-huh.
And this is milk. And no, this stretch.
Is that a bed?
Yep, that's a bed. No, it's do that.
Wow. Woo! It fell over again, huh?
I keep going over. Alright. See this?
What is it?
This is where I pick up food.
Oh, tongs?
Yeah, and now you put it in here, be safe.
Okay, what's over there?
And this is the kitchen.
That's a kitchen.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
This is the stove. Hot, 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 hot.
What?
This is hot. This is the stove.
Yeah, is it hot?
Yep, and see?
What is that?
A food.
That's where you put the food?
Yeah.
Wow.
This is a fork. This is a spoon.
Yeah, is it really?
Yeah, it doesn't pick up.
Oh, you can't. Oh, it's a part of the sticker?
Yeah.
Okay.
See, now it's closed.
Then, wow, it closes back up into the stove?
See, look at that.
That's so cool. Do you like this Barbie house?
This is the door.
There's a door?
Yeah, now it's open. See? This is the backyard.
Wow, I thought that would be the front yard. No, it's the backyard?
Yeah, this is the backyard. So.
Oh, okay.
No, see, it's dark. And this is the Barbie. It's her beautiful.
Does she fit on the bed?
Yeah, let's see.
Wow, she does. Look at that.
And these are so. I like her hair. It's so brown.
Yeah, you like brown hair?
Yeah, this is cute. Cause her got brown hair like this. See?
Mm-hmm.
And her body is white.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this is a little. And see, and her got little arms and move them and move her head right there. Ah, and I'm backwards.
Ah! Not backwards!
I can't do it.
Oh no, exorcist baby!
And watch, know her do yoga.
She knows how to do yoga?
Yeah, see? Like that.
That's baby yoga?
Yeah. And know her do flip.
And she knows how to do a flip too?
Yeah, see?
That's a handstand. It's a headstand.
Yeah, this is a headstand. And watch.
Oh, she can do a split in midair?
Yeah, that's so awesome. And no, her can do yoga.
What's her name?
Her name is Bilala.
Is what?
Bilala.
Briella?
Yeah.
What about the other one? What's her name?
Tiger.
Tiger?
And this is my new phone.
That's a new... Oh no, the tornado took the house down. Ah!
I can't falling over. I like the Barbie house.
Do you like the Barbie house?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you want other kids to get the Barbie house?
I got a hanger.
Do you want other kids to get the Barbie house?
Yeah.
Cool. Go.
Remember, like my video. Comment below. Watching my another video. Subscribe to my channel. And see you soon.